So remember this? And what about this? Did you watch this? And remember me saying this? I'm not going to go into how to wire it up, guys. Well, I lied. Because now I'm going to wire up the 4-inch LED lights. I'm going to show you how I've done it. Yeah, so I'll run the wiring down through the back here from the lights, down in through the door past the rubber here. It doesn't really pinch, so no real issue there. So down this trim here, just in behind that, I've just pushed it all the way in there. And I got this switch off eBay. I think it was like $18, just a 3-gang switch. And I'm gonna plonk that just in there, run all that wiring up inside into this box. So that's all my 12 volt in there. That's the cavity where the lithium battery sits. And that's the lithium battery I've got there. So I've removed the switches from the plate, so I've got myself a bit of a jig, if you like. I'll mount that there, and I'm going to drill some holes in there to fit those. So I've screwed that in, and I've just marked these here with just a marker. So I'll take that plate back off now, and I'll drill the holes. The 3 holes have been cut, ready to go. Switches back in. So I ran the wire down through here, and around in through here, and I'll come down and out through here. That's going to run into here. All done. Switch in. 12 volt all wide back up. I just ran some wires from here into this switch here. So if this gets knocked by accident, nothing's going to happen unless you switch this one on here, which turns the whole 12 volt on here. And then as you can see, it will switch on.